Investment opportunity to own a 3,600 square feet single-tenant commercially zoned building situated on a 25,000 square feet site logistically centered in Western Volusia County. The building is fully air-conditioned with dual-zone systems with acoustical drop ceilings to 10 feet. A rear loading access area with ramp with security lighting. The B4A zone property has been occupied by Fastenal for over 12 years with the next lease maturity September 2020. Located on busy International Parkway/SR92 with daily traffic counts in excess of 26,000 vehicles. Modified gross lease generates a NOI in excess of $22,000 annually.